Quant crypto is like the only green crypto today. It's up 11.2% on that 24-hour time frame. It's looking extremely bullish. So let's have a little look what's going on. We have QNT, we're $136.86, and to be honest, the last 3 months, or actually shall we say 6 months, have been extremely bullish. We came from lows of $48 up to these highs of $136, and I want to show you how significant this bullish price action is for Quant. Guys, if you're new to the channel, do subscribe, get yourself into the Discord channel as well. It's a real thriving community. Everyone's having a bit of fun here talking all things crypto, so you can find that down below. Come and say hi, don't be shy. So we can see Quant is now ranked 33, $1.65 billion market cap, and 83% of the supply is released. Looking at the news, we can see, there's been a lot of bearish momentum. Bitcoin was trading above 24 hours for just a very subtle and unfortunately not very fun just single day. It didn't really stay there very long. There's a lot of hopium in the market, and then we saw the S&P 500 break down. As a result, Bitcoin plummeted, right? So Bitcoin surged past 20k, but then it erased again. A classic little euphoric pump. Everyone gets hopeful, and then you get all those long positions completely liquidated. So unfortunately, S&P 500 drags Bitcoin down, which means there is still a lot of correlation between the two. This is Quant Network in terms of their Twitter page, 101k followers now. I had a little kind of research session here on the page for Quant, and unfortunately I didn't really find any catalysts as to why we got this huge pump over the last few days. We can see that they have been networking, they're going to lots of different events and things, but I cannot actually see why it's pumping right now. We can see lots of events and panels have been occurring, lots of sort of PR exhibitions, networking, which is great to see, as they obviously have the cash reserves to keep pushing through during crypto winter. But I can't actually find a single reason as to why we got this huge pump recently for Quant. Maybe there's people in the community that do know. Maybe it's worth looking through Reddit groups and things like that a little bit more close knit to find out the sort of the key details and the key takeaways of why we're seeing this pump here for Quant. So let's check it out, what's going on in the price action. Why is this so significant? So we looked at this a while ago, and I wish I accumulated some Quant at those lower levels. Now I'm seeing the bullish reversal. We can see all the way from where Bitcoin hit that 200-week moving average. We're up 218%, one of the biggest reversals that we've seen in this crypto winter. If we also look, we're back in the horizontal channel. That horizontal channel is now, we're back through it. We busted through the $100 resistance, and we can even start to look at bringing the trend line down, because we've got key support now at $87, and we flipped this into also a key support level. This resistance trend line here, the top of the horizontal channel. So that's amazing that we broke through this $131. That's why we exploded to 145, because we actually saw a really nice breakout here. Daily time frame, we got a little bit overbought on the RSI, so we are seeing a pullback as a result. But I think it's crazy. So that means on the Bollinger Band, we're probably overextended, very much so. So I do anticipate a pullback at current price levels. If we take the bottom of the band and look at the fib retracement, we're probably going to see Quant retest the $131 or the $123 price levels very soon. So it's very nice to see this particular pump and play out for Quant. It did finally happen, and it just happened so subtly behind the scenes. I've not even been really paying much attention to Quant at the moment, but you can see lots of patterns have been forming. There was a key symmetrical triangle here, for example, broke out of that, and as a result we saw a nice pump in the price, as you see. And on the macro scale, that's one that really lasted a while, as you see, just like that. So we got the breakout, and then we saw continuation to the resistance of $130. So what do I think can happen next for Quant? I think it's due a little bit of a pullback here. I think maybe we need to retest this support trend line of $130 before seeing potential continuation to the upside. Now, what could happen if we do get that continuation to the upside? Well, the next price target for me is going to be the swing high over here of around $187, and also this particular swing right here, which is $167. Then of course we have the swings of the actual pattern itself. So we have $150, $154, blah, blah. That's what we're looking for. So we're looking for a pump up to here, 155, 154-ish, continuation to 165, and then $187. If we look right now at the fib retracement, where has Quant come? So we did correct all the way below the 0.786, and now we're trading between the 0.786 and the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. This is really, really bullish price action. Of course, we can still get rejected off 155 and still come back down into this horizontal channel. We know something kind of like this could happen. We come up, resistance, retest, get rejected, and we come back into the channel and we start trading sideways. And maybe the pump really happens later on next year when we get some more bullish price action. So that could easily happen, or things could just go wild straight away. I do think Quant has the potential to definitely be over $1,000 by the next crypto bull run. Not financial advice, of course, and even though I feel like it definitely could happen, you know, maybe it won't, maybe it really won't. But yeah, definitely keep this on your list as a blue chip, guys, because it looks undervalued right now. It's just a bit overbought, so I would not recommend buying Quant at this particular time. I would wait for a pullback and wait for those oversold positions that historically do, you know, generate yield or return on investment. So don't chase the green, guys. Always wait for retracements, always wait for reaccumulation. And right now we need to wait for a retracement because we're overbought. And last time we were overbought on this 4-hour time frame for Quant, you see there was actually a bit of a downtrend. Even though we put for a higher low, we still corrected 33%. So we can still anticipate another correction, even if it's 30%. And it still means that we'd be putting through effectively a higher low. So it wouldn't necessarily be a bad thing if Quant actually just corrected like this and just came straight down to $99. It wouldn't be a bad thing. It could still then pump to 154 straight afterwards. So set in a note to yourself, if it comes down to $100 again, probably a really good time to buy Quant. You know, not financial advice, of course. Anyway, you lovely people, you slap that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like and comment, and I shall see you very, very soon. Bye for now.